What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Scott, part of the Winning Circle group. I'm shooting this video to do a recap of the first week of September from our signal sources inside the Winning Circle group based off of an exclusive strategy that we have shown to our members. So if you're a part of the Winning Circle group, I know that you had much success this week. I am very excited for you guys. We're going to be gearing up for a major push in these next few weeks and these next few months utilizing this strategy. We're also going to restart our 10K in 30 days or 30 trades challenge. Now, of course, we want to put income disclaimers for the people that are not inside of the group because nothing is guaranteed in investing or nothing is guaranteed when trading Forex. So we just wanted to put that out there. But with this strategy, and once you see what I'm about to show you, you can see the possibilities of trading Forex, compounding your accounts, utilizing key strategies that can help you build on a consistent basis. Outside of our group, we also have 6 and 7 figure traders that is leading the way. We have connections with them as well as the leading source of education for Forex and cryptocurrency trading. So our group alone, we wanted to open access for the people that's not inside of the Winner Circle group so that you can not only just learn a 7-figure skill set, but you will have the support, the resources, the strategies, the tools, and the knowledge to be able to learn the skill set and to make money during the process. The goal is to earn while you learn, and that's what our group has been doing. We have a lot of people that's in the group that were brand new. We walk them through the steps of getting their account set up, learning the basics, and then even while they learn, all they have to do is at least take the signals. Even within the educational platform, there's automated tools like the Harmonic Scanner, the web analyzers, copy paste trades, things of that nature. But with our group alone, we have our own trading plans. We even have our own trading platform. We have our own signal sources. So if you join our group inside of the educational platform, you will have additional value. And I'm going to share with you the results that we got this week alone. This week, I believe we took 17 trades. Out of that 17 trades, 15 of them were profitable. 2 of them hit our stop loss, which is okay. But we caught over 800 pips this week alone based off of just one strategy. Our group, we have from 3 to 4 strategies that we've tested out. They're very consistent. They work. People in our group love them. This is one strategy that we used, and we caught over 800 pips this week based off of this one strategy. I'm going to share with you each and every signal. I'm going to share with you the sell stop or the buy stop order, the pending order, where we put the order at, the date and the time we put the order in, so you can see how effective these signals are. And we're going to go through them one by one. So right now, as you can see, this is our Winner Circle exclusive members only group where we send out our signals through Telegram. This is September the 3rd, the beginning of the week. We sent out a signal for NZD-CHF. So I'm going to pull up NZD-CHF and we're going to go through these one by one. So I'm going to pull up NZD-CHF. I'm going to, let me go ahead and take these indicators off. Let's see. Let's take this off. Let's take all of this off. Matter of fact, I can leave those. All right, we'll take those off. Now, I don't know if you can see this. Let's go ahead and kind of scoot this over a little bit. Scoot this over just a little bit. All right. Now, we're on NZD-CHF. Let's go to our hour chart. Now, I'm going to find the exact price. I'm going to find the price. If y'all hear noise in the background, it's my kids, so don't worry about that. I am a family man. But let's go ahead and pull up these pairs. Let's see. Okay, I guess that's it. Get off of that. For some reason it won't let me. Will I do it? No, it won't. Okay, I guess that's the remainder of the chart. Okay, so we're gonna find the pair. The sell stop was 63980. Let's go ahead and put a line at 63980. And 63980. That is where our sales stop activated. We did this September 3rd, so we're going to go ahead and look for September 3rd, somewhere around this area right here. This was at 11 a.m., so we're going to do somewhere around in this area is when that order was sent out. See the arrow? It stalled, it activated, it dropped. We caught the first drop here. That was about 30 pips or so on the first drop. We caught 2 drops on this pair actually. That's about 30 pips on the first drop. Here's the second drop, the second order. And we caught another 40 pips on that drop. For some reason, it's not allowing me to see the entire chart. There we go. There we go. There it goes. All right. Second drop. We caught 60 pips. That's NZD CHF. We caught 40 pips on the first drop, 60 pips on the second drop. Next pair is CAD CHF. We're going to pull out CAD CHF. And we sent the order out. It's September 3rd, 3:03 p.m. for a sell stop 73940. 73940. So let's go ahead and put a horizontal line here at 73940. 73940. That is when our order activated. We sent out the order here. And as you can see, it activated and it dropped. That's two consecutive pairs, two signals, two winners. This pair caught 70 over 70 pips. CAD CHF. Next pair, Euro NZD. Euro NZD. I don't know why that's looking like that. That looks crazy. All right, here we go. Euro NZD. We sent out the signal on the third Euro NZD at 312. Buy stop 1.7602. So let's go ahead and put this order in 1.7602. 7602. All right, we got it here. Activated our order. Went up. As you can see, this is another winning trade. We got the order here. We sent it out around in this area. Got the order here. Went up 130 pips. Euro NZD. So far we're up over 200 pips already in the week. That's just the first day. Euro NZD. Next pair, Euro CAD. So let's pull up Euro CAD. Euro CAD buy stop was at 1.524. So we're going to put it here at 1.524. 1.5240. This is where our order activated. As you can see, it was here, somewhere in this area. We sent out the signal here. Went up, never activated. It came up, activated the order, and it went up. See how far it went up. Came all the way back down, but it went up. We caught over 130 pips on EuroCAD as well. So that's two consecutive orders where we caught over 100 pips apiece. Now this strategy that we're utilizing, our risk is only 25 to the most 40 pips. When we lose, we're not losing no more than 40 pips. Some of these trades has a tight stop loss as little as 10 pip stop losses for 100 pip gain. This strategy is one of the best strategies we have. It is one of the most simplest or the more simpler strategies that I've seen learning Forex and trading Forex. So even if you're a beginner, you get inside of our group, we're going to not only just give you access to the signals, we're going to teach you how to fish. There's no sense of just giving you the fish. I want to teach you how to fish. That way you can fish on your own. You can see and utilize the strategy based off your own analysis. So even if it maybe is the strategy that might break in one pair, but we didn't send out the signal, you may be able to catch it because you know the strategy itself. This strategy works for every single pair in the market. I don't care what pair you're trading, the strategy will work for you in the foreign exchange and cryptocurrencies. So if you want to get access to not just the leading source of education, but if you want to get access to our Winner Circle group to where you get access to the signals and to our key strategies where you can learn for yourself, we're going to teach you the signals and the strategies itself. The enrollment fee is priceless. I'm telling you, people are doubling, even tripling their accounts in as little as a week's time. We are starting our 10K in 30 days of 30 trades challenge in September. We're going to kick back off in maybe December or January. So this is the time to get access, because once we start, we're closing the doors for the Winner Circle, or at least access to the strategies. You may still be able to join and get some of the signals, but if you want to become a true trader and learn the strategies itself, we're going to limit the access for the next 60 days. So if you're watching this video in September, or if you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook and you want access, get in contact with me or anybody in the group. so that we can get you inside before we close the doors, because this strategy is going to create 6 and 7 figure earners in the foreign exchange market in 2019, and I will put my bottom dollar on it. That's how effective this strategy is. But just don't take my word for it. We're going to keep going through these signals, and as you can see, I'm going through them day by day, one by one, so that you can see how effective this strategy is. I believe we stopped at NZD USD. Now, this is one pair that did hit our stop loss, but I'm going to pull it up anyway.
Daddy, can you get this over?
NZD USD, I'm going to pull it up, and we put in the sell stop at 654. So let's go ahead and put this in. 654, this is a trade we lost. And in any market, nobody is 100%. You're going to take losses. But as long as your risk management is up to par, you should be just fine. I believe this is 654. Let me see to make sure. Yeah, 654. 654 is where we sent out the order. We sent it out for a sale. We got a little bit. We went into profit. And I tell people, whenever we get to 10 to 20 pips in profit, move your stop loss to your entry. That way you have a risk-free trade. If it does retrace on you, at least you're not losing any money. And that strategy, once you get to about 10, 20 pips, 9 times out of 10, if it's going to continue in your favor, it's going to continue to drop. If it don't and it retraces, at least you're not losing any money. But this is one of the trades that it retraced on us and went back up. So if they didn't move their stop loss, they lost 30 pips on this pair. That's NZD USD. That's fine. Next pair, let's see. After that loss, let's see if we kind of recuperated. Next pair, as you can see, we also tally it up. We started CAD CHF, Euro NZD, Euro ZCAD. As you can see, NZD USD 30 pips. Next pair was NZD CHF for the second drop. We did that already, and we showed the second drop was 70 pips. The next pair, USD CAD. So we're going to pull up USD CAD 1.3181. USD CAD 1.3181. 1.3181. This is where our order was sent out. This is the pending order. This is where it activated, and we're going in for a buy. 1.3181. We sent this order out September the 5th. So we sent it out here, 1.3481, September the 5th. We sent the order here. As you can see, it did come down, but it did not hit our stop loss. And we ended up catching, let's see, 40 pips. 40 pips on that pair. Not bad. Not bad at all. Next pair, GBP NZD, buy stop 1.96340. GBP NZD. Where's GBP NZD? GBP NZD. GBP. I don't see it. GBP NZD. Let's go ahead and add this real quick. Let me see if I can find it. GBP. There it goes. GBP NZD. I apologize for the noise in the background. It's my daughter and my son. All right. GBP NZD. Let's pull that over. We got GBP NZD at 1.96340. Go ahead and put the line here. 1.96340. And we sent this out on the 6th. So let's go ahead and go ahead of time. Right. This was for a sale. We sent it out on the 5th or the 6th. Let's see. We sent this out on the 6th of September. Oh, I'm sorry, for a buy stop. Okay. So we sent it out for the 6th, on the 6th. I believe it was around in this area here. Activated our order. And as you can see, it went in our direction. GBP NZD gave us 170 pips. That's one trade you could have took and you would have been done for the week. But that's, no, I think that's three pairs that we got over 100 pips so far this week. GBP NZD. Next pair, AUD CHF. Let's pull up AUD CHF. And as you can see, I'm going through them one by one from my signal sources group, so you can see the win ratio that we're having. AUD CHF 695 for a sale. 695 for a sale. 0.695 for a sale. And as you can see, it dropped. Now, we went 800 pips 15 wins for 2 losses. So get with us today, join so you can